In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create, delete, rename and how to use the name range in your worksheet one by one. We have taken exemplary data to demonstrate working with a named range that consists of name, designation, salary, and department in a table. Suppose you're working on multiple sheets, it is hard to remember the names on each sheet. So we are going to create a shortcut to name some areas. Select the areas which contain names. Now click on the name box and rename it as you wish, which is familiar like name 1, and press enter. Now, if you are lost in any other sheet, and you need data where you have renamed it in the first sheet, click on the drop-down option in the name range and click on the name which you had input earlier. As you can see, the cells which you had selected earlier and renamed, only those cells will be selected and the same page will be displayed. Now, let us see how to rename the given name. Under the Formulas tab, click on the Name Manager, click on Edit, input the name which you wish to assign, and then click on OK. And then click on Close. Let us now learn how to assign names by another method to perform the same function. Under the Formulas tab, click on Name Manager, click on New, clear the input box and enter the name which you prefer, and select the option which you prefer from the Scope option. By default it is selected as within the workbook. Drop down to choose to see list of option. For example, if you need a named range within the workbook or within a particular sheet. Right now we will not be choosing any options displayed here. Select the range and click on OK, and then close. Highlight designation column. Now, these cells are referred to as designations since we renamed them. Click on any cell, click the On drop-down option on the name box, click on Designation. As you can see, the designation column is selected. To delete the existing name range, click on Name Manager under the Formulas tab, select the name range which you wish to delete, and click on Delete. Select Yes from the pop-up and click on Close. To create a named range for multiple columns at the same time instead of creating it for each one individually, select the data, the whole table including the heading, and then click on Create from the selection under the Formula tab. Select the option shown after clicking on the option according to your data. In our case we are selecting only top row, and then click on OK. As you can see, the named range for each heading is created accordingly.